Let's follow the billions and map out this wild web connecting the titans of AI. And when you start pulling on these threads, you find that a whole lot of them lead back to one place. We're talking about OpenAI, the company that gave us ChatGPT. They are sitting right smack in the middle of this whole financial network. The most famous example, the one everyone talks about, is Microsoft's relationship with OpenAI. Microsoft has poured in over $13 billion, which gives it a huge stake in OpenAI's future. And in return, OpenAI becomes a gigantic customer for Microsoft's Azure cloud services. It's a textbook example, a deeply symbiotic partnership where each one is fueling the other's growth. And this deal with Nvidia? Wow, this one shows the loop even more directly. The chip giant agrees to help finance OpenAI's data centers to the tune of up to $100 billion. And what, you ask, is going to fill those data centers? Well, Nvidia's very own GPUs, of course. Nvidia is, in effect, funding what will become its own sales. It's a perfect circle. The scale of these numbers is it's hard to even wrap your head around. Just look at the deal between OpenAI and Oracle. OpenAI has committed to spending $300 billion on Oracle's cloud services over the next 5 years. For Oracle, a single deal like this massively juices its future revenue, but it also means a huge chunk of its growth now hangs on this one AI giant. And this table here really pulls it all together. It shows that this isn't just an OpenAI story, it's an industry-wide thing. You can see this web of dependencies. Look at Nvidia's deal with the cloud provider CoreWeave. Nvidia owns a piece of the company and also promises to buy any of their unsold computing power. Or AMD, which gets commitments for chip purchases in exchange for giving OpenAI the right to buy a big chunk of its stock. It's a complex, self-reinforcing ecosystem for sure. Now, this kind of creative financial engineering is giving a lot of market veterans a serious case of déjà vu. And it's raising a really critical question.